Child of mine, you are the wildest wind and the dearest dream I will ever know. Love's lasting light shines out from deep within this father's heart as I watch you grow.
Child of mine, you are the break of dawn and the brightest star I will ever know. Love's lasting light comes shining on and on from this mother's heart as I watch you grow. There is a road,
And that road is all your own. We are here. You need not walk alone. Face not fear. Each coming new unknown is the way to lift your wings. Child of mine, you are the sweetest song and the greatest gift I will ever know. Child of mine, where spirits fly above, there is but one that belongs to you. So let it grow, and it will thrive on love, for it is love that sees us through. You have the hands that will open up the doors. You have the hopes this world is waiting for. You are my own, but you are so much more. You are tomorrow on the wing. Child of